So I think I got my oil cooler lines figured out anyway. So I picked up this kit from O'Reilly's, and I think it will work pretty good. So, and I think the stock shifter cable actually looks like it should work. And I think I got the cross member figured out. I had to modify it a little bit, but that should work. I think I got the vent in there. That should work. The dipstick tube. And even the all-wheel drive transfer case. Now what's the big deal? Just another 6L80, right? I mean, what's this going in? An 05 single cab. So how do I plan on getting this to work? I picked up one of these. So who's all used one of these? I'm just curious. I have not found a whole lot of information on any videos, forums. This looks like a whole bunch of wire. I guess I'm gonna have to figure this all out. We'll see how this goes.